Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show how you can decorate your walls without spending a rupee. So let's get started. So first of all, take two cardboard strips measuring 30 into 3 cm. Then take two another strips measuring 17 into 3 cm. Now arrange them in a position of a frame and stick it together using clear tape. Now cover the frame with black chart paper, or you can also paint it. Make two such frames. Now flip the frame and take a white thread or wool. Cut strings from the wool and join them on the cardboard as shown. This is my most favorite craft till now. It has turned really very good, and I hope you will also like it. Fill the entire empty space of the frame using the woolen strands. Repeat the same process on other frame as well. Now cut bird shapes from black chart paper. I have made total 6, 3 for each. You can make according to your choice. Now flip the frame and start sticking the birds over it using a clear tape. You can arrange the birds as per your choice. It totally depends upon you. Now repeat the same process on the other frame as well. And this is how they look. Isn't it amazing? for making cage, now take a piece of cardboard and cut a cage stencil from it. Attach a cardboard strip over it. Now in a bowl, pour a little glue. And then add a little water into it. And now mix them well. Now using the glue mixture, start sticking the tissue paper over the cardboard. After sticking the tissue paper over the cardboard, paint it black. Now flip the cardboard and start sticking black woolen strands over it. This is how our cage looks. And this is the final look. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you do so, then please hit like button and subscribe my channel for more DIYs. Thanks for watching.